Hi friends, you're welcome to yet another video from your favorite sewing tutor here on YouTube, designed by Tola. So today's video is also a requested one. One of my subscribers requested that I show how to fix this industrial overlock machine, how to fix the needle, how to fix in the needle, and how to change the needle. So that is what today's video is all about. But you can see that for me, my own overlock machine has two needles. That is because my overlock machine can sew and can weave, so that is why it has two different sewing needles. One is for the stitching and the other one is for weaving. So I'm going to show you now how to fix an industrial overlock machine needle. So the number one tool that you're going to need is this needle screw. Your overlock machine should come with this kind of screw. You can see the mouth is pointed. This is how the tip is. It's pointed. So this is the screw that is used to fix and remove the sewing machine, the overlock machine needle. So this is it. Now you can see that I have my two needles in the machine. So I'm going to, so you scroll up here, this side here, and there is this little screw at this side. So you use this screwdriver, this pointing mount screwdriver, to unscrew the screw. You just keep on turning like this till you unscrew it. This is the screw. So this is the screw. It's very small and tiny. So please, you have to be very careful, because once this screw falls off, once it falls down, it's very difficult sometimes to, to trace it, to get it back. So I'm just going to put this aside, and there is like I think it's made with magnet, so it magnetizes itself automatically on this screw. So let's just put it aside. So I'll raise this up, and then this is what I use. I think it's called picker or something like that. It's called, some people call it picker. So this is what I use. So I'll use this to hold the needle, and then I'll pull it out. So you can see. So the same process goes for this other one. But for this one, the screw is located here. The screw for this is located here. So while for this other one that I pulled out, the screw is located at the side here. While for this other needle, this is the screw inside. So this is where the screw is. So I'll just unscrew this two, and then I pull this out. That is, if it is this one I want to pull out. So now that is done. Now to fix in the needle, you're going to check on your needle. You see that the needle has two sides. There is a side that you have like a hole, like a line, sort of a line or a hole on it, and then the other side you don't have that line. So where you have the line, on the side that you have the line, that is where you're going to fix in the machine to face you, while the other side that there is no line here is going to be facing the machine, while this other side that there is line here is where we'll be facing you. So now I want to fix in this needle. I'll just put it in my picker like this, and then I'm going to put it inside the hole. So as you can see, I fixed in the needle inside. Then I'll use this screw, and I'll pull it down this way, and then I'll fix in the screw. I'm fixing the screw back. And that is how to change your overlock needle. That is how to change it. That is how to fix it. As simple as that. Very simple, very easy. The only most important thing is for you to have this kind of screw. This is the kind of screwdriver that you use to fix in the needle, and most times it comes with the machine. That is, if you bought your overlock machine new, this should come with it automatically, or wherever you get it from, this screwdriver should come with it. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, please do not forget to hit on the subscribe button if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, and also please like this video and share to your loved ones, and also drop a comment down below if you have any video or any topic you want me to treat for you. Bye.